In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an energetic biker riding on an imaginative cloud images in Playground. Before we begin, please subscribe not to miss out any new tutorial. In Playground, choose Stable Diffusion XL and Starlight XL Animated Filter. Write your prompt in the prompt text box. Add some keywords to exclude from your generated image. This step is optional, but I like to add it to get better results. I will leave the prompt used in the description below. Leave the prompt guidance, quality and details, and refinement settings as default. Set the number of images. Usually I keep this set to 4 to get 4 options for this prompt. Once satisfied with your prompt, click on Generate. Your images are generated. Expand each image to preview it. Click on the plus and download the image.